Alright students, today if you're watching this ed puzzle, you are investigating kinetic energy. So don't be intimidated by that word. All kinetic energy means is it's the energy of motion. If an object is moving, it has kinetic energy. So today we will be doing a little experiment to see what affects kinetic energy. We're going to be sliding this box a few times just like this. But before I do any of that, why don't you talk with your group, and tell me, what do you think affects kinetic energy? What do you think would make this box have more energy as it's moving? Alright, so for this first experiment, I'm going to use the same exact box. I'm not going to do anything to change it. All I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it at different speeds. So before I actually do that and show you the results, talk with your group. Do you think sliding this box at different speeds will change its kinetic energy? If you think it will, tell me which one will give more kinetic energy, if the box is sliding faster or if the box is sliding slower. So go ahead and think a second about that, and in a moment you'll see me slide this slow, and you'll see how many pins fall, if any, and then I'll slide it fast, and you'll see how many pins fall, if any. Alright, we're going to start with the slow trial, so here I go, sliding this with a little velocity. You can see none of the pins fell down when the box went pretty slow. Alright, now I'm going to slide the box with a high velocity. It's going to be moving quickly. The box is going to be fast. So let's do that. And you can see more velocity, more pins fell down. So talk with your group, go ahead and discuss. Now after seeing that, do you think velocity affects kinetic energy? Okay, so you just saw velocity. Now we're going to experiment with a different variable. We're going to take a look and see how mass might affect kinetic energy. So this box, it's the same size, same shape. I'm going to do two trials. For one trial, the box is only going to have maybe 3 little tuna packets in here. For the next trial, I'm going to stuff it with tuna packets. So the only thing that's changing is the mass of the box. So let's go ahead and see if the mass of the box will affect kinetic energy. It's important to note, I'm going to slide it as best I can at the same speed for both times. We're only going to change the mass. Alright, so here we go. This is the low mass attempt. There's only a couple tuna packets in here. It's a low mass. You can't feel it, but take my word for it. It's less mass in this trial. Here we go. You can see none of the pins fell down. And in the next trial, I'm going to slide it at the same exact speed, but put some more packets in there. Okay, I stuffed this with a lot more tuna packets. It's got more mass. I'm going to slide it at the same velocity, and we'll see if more pins fall down or not. So you can see there, what did more mass mean? Did it increase my kinetic energy? Did more pins fall down? Talk with your group and talk about how mass affected your kinetic energy.